Now, I get a little impatient with people who teach Calvinism and say some are elected to be saved and some are elected to be lost and some couldn't get saved no matter what because they weren't elected. I have never met a non-elected Calvinist. They're all elected. It's the others that are not elected. Now, stay with me. Yeah. Now, you ask any little first grader what that means, all the ends of the earth, he'll tell you that means everybody in the world. John 3:16, God so loved the what? You ask any third grader what that means, he'll tell you it means everybody in the world. Hebrews 2:9, He tasted death for every man. You ask any third grader what every man means, he'll say it means every man. Nobody's excluded. It means everybody. But once you go to college and seminary, you learn that every man don't really mean every man. And you learn that the whole world in 1 John 2 don't really mean the whole world. It means the whole elected world. Now, that's a bunch of hogwash. Don't get mad. That's a bunch of hogwash. I mean, applesauce. Why don't we take what it says? Look unto me and be ye saved. What's the scope? All the ends of it. Salvation's for everybody. That's why I love preaching. If I sell automobiles, I got to find a prospect. Because everybody's not a prospect. If I'm selling real estate, I got to find a prospect because everybody's not a prospect. But when I'm preaching the gospel, everybody I meet's a prospect. Rich or poor, educated, uneducated, dumb, handsome, good-looking or ugly, you know. Everybody's a prospect for salvation. Jesus died for the whole world. That's the scope of salvation. Nobody will ever look out of hell up to heaven and say, Jesus, I wanted to be saved, but you didn't die for me. No, if a man goes to hell, it won't be because he had to go to hell. It'd be because he would not trust Jesus Christ as Savior.